All right, class, it's time for a pop quiz. What part of the body is this? I'll give you a hint. It processes tons of information. It triggers emotions. It's full of neurons. Some of you probably even felt it react when you heard the words pop quiz. Well, if your gut feeling says the answer is the brain, think again. Hi, I'm Dr. Joe Hansen with PatientPoint Academy. Today we're talking about your second brain, your gut, and how it plays a major role in your mental and emotional health. You ever feel like you have another brain in your belly? Well, you kind of do. The gut's job is far more complicated than just processing food, absorbing nutrients, and getting rid of waste. It's constantly talking to your brain about everything from hunger to stress levels. That communication might be why you bake cookies when you're craving something sweet. Let's go inside to see what's happening. Inside here, not inside there. When your brain and belly speak, that connection is called the gut-brain axis. Maybe you've heard of neurons before, those special nerve cells in our brain that help us think. Well, you have loads of them in your gut too, as part of our enteric nervous system, that second brain, if you will. It handles swallowing and digesting food. The gut and brain chat often because your gut reacts to the emotions you're feeling. And likewise, your brain works to respond when your stomach sends a message. As a result, the hotline between your noggin and your gut plays a major role in your overall well-being. For example, you might feel stress in your tummy. When you're anxious, your gut reacts to a hormone called cortisol that shuts down digestion, and that allows your brain to fully focus on the problem at hand. Nifty, huh? On the flip side, your thoughts can cause an upset stomach too. Feeling nervous, anxious, or emotionally overwhelmed might cause the brain to tell the stomach to unleash those butterflies it has caged up. It's a temporary response that you might be familiar with, but if your gut is acting stressed all the time, it may be time to see your doctor. A pop quiz makes us all a little queasy, but chronic mental stress can constantly send messages to the stomach that create or worsen physical problems like inflammatory bowel diseases. If your brain and your gut aren't properly balanced, it can stress your insides even more than the thing that caused stress in the first place. Luckily, healthy eating and reducing stress are two ways to help your brain and gut. Getting enough fiber in your diet from things like beans and whole grains will keep your gut moving in the right direction. And activities like exercise and meditation can help your brain send fewer stress signals to your gut. No matter how many times you hear, "Pop quiz!" Seriously, did that one make your gut gurgle? Just a little?